we get started, go ahead and like and subscribe to the Trust Wallet YouTube channel. That way, you'll never miss important updates, including special promotions, opportunities to earn, and exciting new features. Okay, so in this video, we'll go through how to supply TWT on Venus Protocol in order to borrow stablecoins like USDC and then effectively use that to earn. Okay, so the first step is to head over to the Discover tab. So that's right over here at the bottom right. And then the next step is to locate the Venus app. So that's right in the Binance Smart Chain section, and then simply scroll down. Accept the terms. From here, you'll want to go ahead and connect your wallet. So select Connect Wallet, select Trust Wallet, of course, and then ensure that we have BNB Smart Chain since we'll be doing TWT on that chain. Okay, now the next step is to search for TWT. So we'll go ahead and do that. Scroll down and we'll select TWT. Okay. Now, the next step would be to turn on the collateral toggle. As you can see, it's turned on here. So we'll leave that on, but if that isn't on for you, you'll go ahead and select that and then confirm any smart contract call. All right, so from here, I'll go ahead and supply an amount of TWT. In this case, I'll go ahead and supply 90. Then I'll hit supply and then I'll confirm the smart contract call. Okay, so step one done. Now that we've supplied it, we want to go and search for USDC. So we'll hit the back arrow there. We'll search for USDC. Select that. And then we'll go ahead and tap on borrow. And there are different things we can do here. So it says that I could do up to 66 or a little bit more than 66. But let's say in this case, I'll borrow 30 USDC, just as an example. Tap on borrow, and then we'll confirm the smart contract call as well. Okay, so the next step from here is you may want to go ahead and repay the USDC. So doing that is very easy. Since we're already in the USDC option, we'll go ahead and tap on repay. Go ahead and tap on max. So for example, you could also repay 25%, 50%, 75%, or the max, which is 30. So I'll go ahead and do that. Confirm the smart contract call. Okay, and that's it. Now, as a final step, let's say that you were finished using the protocol and then you wanted to claim your TWT back. You simply go and search for TWT. All right, select it. And then we'll go to withdraw. And then we'll go ahead and type in the 90. Withdraw. Confirm the smart contract call. And that's it. So that's exactly how you supply TWT in Venus Protocol in order to borrow stablecoins and earn that way. Hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Always be sure to use the most updated version of Trust Wallet. That way you have access to the latest features and the newest security updates. Stay tuned for more.